Hey everybody, it's Alex's World from Alex's World AJ. Yeah, I'm still really sad about my friend McKenna hacking me. Yeah, I'm really sad about that. But then my friend Chloe, she gave me this and this because I told her about that. And it looks really nice. It's just like a spike, but it's not as good as one. But still, got to delete all of these. This is Chloe. She gave me this earlier, and then she told me to give it back. Yeah. Alright. Anyways, she said that I could take her stuff, and I don't know what she means by that. I guess she means go to her account and get all her stuff, but I'm not gonna do that because just for the sake of it, I'm not gonna get myself suspended. Because she works for AGHQ, and she suspended McKenna for weeks for doing that. And I had to contact AGHQ, another member of AGHQ, in order to do something. I'm not sure, but like to tell her. And is she did I get anything right now? That's loading and just Alright, it said that they can't give me a thing at the moment, but that means at the moment, not like that at all. It means at that moment. So yeah, I'm just gonna pause the video here because this is gonna take a while. Either that or I'm just gonna look at some stuff. I also have to look at my YouTube thing. Alright, stop it. Stupid fly. Alright. Alright, do I have any subscribers? Go to my account. My channel. Do I have any subscribers? Alright, let's just when you think you've got a problem, your life is full of doubts. Remember, in the scheme of things, your life just doesn't work out. Alright, now let's see here. Do I have any subscribers? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, how many subscribers do I have? Anyways, I'm just gonna did anyone subscribe to me? Oh wait, that was my brother. I'm stupid for not looking at that. Neptune 1212. That's a nice name. I'm back over here. I'm gonna try to get it. That's what I was going to think I was about to squish it with my fingers. Anyways. You guys probably won't be seeing my face at all in any videos that I make, but I probably will show my face in some videos. So you don't know that, no. Only my bestest friends, only people who have seen me know what I look like. So yeah, if you ever see me walking by and you're a fan of me, yeah, I guess you'll be pretty happy that you will actually be able to see me. Anyways, I got 7. What? Anyways, I got 7 views on one of my videos. That was South Park randomness. La la la. Okay, so what happened? Banana, banana. Oops, banana, 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 oops, banana, 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 banana. Yeah, I don't know. Sorry guys, when I'm focused, like concentrating like this, I tend to get a little quiet. You just shush me, world. You just shush me. You shush. That was odd. I'm chewing on my headband. It's really soft. I don't know why. So I'm home alone. Yeah, my friend McKenna, she hacked me yesterday, and I'm gonna be really, really mad at her. Yeah. I'm gonna explode on her. Vomit all over her. Vomit out words all over her. I'm not gonna literally vomit on her. I'm just gonna vomit words all over her. Really, really, really angry words. 5 Nights at Freddy's. Is this where you wanna be? I just don't get it. Oh, why do you wanna say 5 Nights at Freddy's? Is this where you wanna be? I just don't get it. Why do you wanna say 5 Nights at Freddy's? It's like Wait, what? I got those two lines really mixed up. Where are the points that rise? We get to see you another. You should have looked for another job. Should have said you this was goodbye. It's like there's so much more. Maybe you've been in this place before. We remember a face like yours. You seem acquainted with those stars. Please let us get headed all the way. We're not what you think again. We're pulling the stars for a faster control. And we're first to take that role. We've been all second our little song since 1987. Join us, be a friend. We should be second to fit. And we're only moving out of Freddy's. This is where you are, me. I just don't get it. Why do you wanna stay better than Freddy's? This is where you wanna be. I just don't get it. Why do you wanna stay better than Freddy's? Stupid I know I have a wonderful voice, don't I? Hey everybody, welcome to Freddy and Fat Bear's Pizza. So let's strap up the band. 1, 2. I can't see you now, and that's what you share. It's been many years of living with our fears. Please do pardon me, I can't help it, can't you see? In this misery, you can join our family. Why'd you lock the door? Don't you like us anymore? This game's lots of fun. You look funny when you run. Eyes upon the wall, there's no fun at all. Watching us and they're used to cameras, our lenses for something close, getting closer, but you know it's nearly over. One. Found your point about looking for the soon. Better look at it. I'm not too ways or better. You flew about too fast an hour. I get it, you're out of it. Here I come, I hope you're ready. When you come back here, whatever. Let's see. Oh, it's gonna adjust the camera a bit. Yeah. Yeah, I saved the password on here. Dirt. And you cannot read her password because do 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 wapaka hishaku hawa hawa di da do da ba da 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 di da ba da 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 I'm not gonna steal her stuff. I might, but I really probably not going to. She said. Anyways, I'm just gonna leave off this video here. Bye guys. You're all awesome. Yeah, bye.